Now is your set time for a supernatural turnaround. Attend the Destiny Explosion Conference 2024 with the theme No Limits. Get ready for healing, miracles, and empowerment by the impactful ministrations from Pastor Benjamin Beckley.
You will sing a new song, a song of triumph, a song of victory, a song of breakthrough.
And Reverend John Aniemeke.
I have good news for you. You will surely overtake that problem.
Experience uplifting praise and worship led by Sandra Martins and Funmi Praise. And your roles for this life-changing conference are Pastors Gbenga and Victoria Showunmi. Venue is the Destinystar International Church, 16305 Westheimer Rd, Suite 105, Houston, Texas 77082. And the date is November 22nd to 24th, 2024. Time is 7 p.m. on Friday and Saturday, and 10:30 a.m. on Sunday. Impartation service. Can't make it in person? Join us live on our Facebook and YouTube channels. Save the date and secure your prophetic destiny of no limits. We can't wait to see you there.